Mahar Rajput clan Mehr is a landowning Rajput clan found in Punjab and Sindh. The Mahar Rajput clan belongs to the Yadavvanshi Rajput dynasty in Punjab. Maher Rajput clan is considered to belong to Bhatti Rajputs, while in Sindh, it belongs to Sama Rajputs, but the main point is that Maher Rajputs are from Yadav-Vansh. Mahar tribe is also called as Mahar and Mahir. The Mahar Rajput clan is a cultivator and farmer as well as a large landowning clan. Mahar Rajput tribe is not inferior to other Rajput tribes in military terms. In modern times, this tribe is also associated with many other professions. Historically, the Mahar Rajputs have also been a warrior and warrior tribe. The Meher Rajput tribe is found in Sindh, Punjab and Rajasthan. In Sindh, there are certain numbers of this tribe from Jacobabad to Karachi and Thatta. If we talk about Punjab, from Sandalbar, Nelabar, Karanabar, Saraikabar to Pothohar. Meher Rajputs are spread in every part of Punjab. Members of Mahar Rajput clan are followers of Islam and Hinduism. Mehr in Sindh are mostly Hindus. Two people of the Mahar Rajput tribe in Sindh and Punjab, Khan, Sada, Mian, Malik, Chowdhury and Mir, use addresses also. Most of the Rajput tribes in Punjab like Sial, Chadhar, Joya etc. use Mahar as a title along with their name. There are several sub-branches of the Maher Rajputs known as Padais in Sindhi, Gotas in Punjabi and tribes in Urdu. About the Mahar Rajput tribe. Sir Har Hume in his book Glossary of Castes of the Punjab has said, the Mahars are a quarrelsome, warlike and independent tribe of Rajputs found in the Punjab. Also, Ed McLagan in his book Encyclopedia of Castes said about this Rajput tribe, Mahars or Mahars are more common in Bahawalpur in the Punjab. They keep cattle, depend on agriculture, but are fighters by nature, which is the characteristic of the Rajputs. Writer Kamran Azam Sodavi has written in his book Encyclopedia Nations of Pakistan that the Mahar Rajput tribe put up a lot of resistance against the British, due to which the government brutalized them. 1 Muslims of Sindh, Balochistan and Afghanistan by Sheikh Sadiq Ali Ansari and in Ayaz Bhagat's essays and other books on the castes of Sindh. The Mahar Rajput tribe was also described as a local landowning and warrior tribe of Sindh. Sir Denzel Abston wrote in his book, The Rajputs of the Punjab are a noble, powerful and fighting people and are very proud of being Rajputs and of their blood. The history of this tribe in beautiful words was also written by a chieftain of this tribe. Muhammad Sada Ghulam Muhammad Khan Mehr Medical College Sukur was built by a chief of this tribe in his own name Ray Ghulam Rasul Khan Mehr. The Mehrs from Jaisalmer are recognized by elders of all branches of the tribe written by Sadullah Joya.